Hello friends, as you probably already know, recently the price of copper has dropped dramatically, so I decided that I would not sell anything until prices rise again, and set myself the goal of collecting 100 kilograms of pure copper by spring. And now I have such a bag of wires, which we will now weigh and will get rid of the insulation with the help of the device that I made in the previous videos, and at the end of the video I will show you how much pure copper I managed to get and how much it will cost at today's price. Pleasant viewing. As you can see, the weight of the wires is 10 kilograms. Pause the video and write in the comments, how much pure copper do you think you will get? And at the end of the video you will see the result. And now I'm getting to work. To begin with, I chose the thickest wires and will clean them with a knife. Friends, if you like what I am doing, take a couple of seconds, put your finger up, write any comments, and share this video with your friends, and I, in turn, will often shoot interesting and useful content for you. I finished with the thick wires. Now I'm starting to clean the rest of the cables. For this I cut them into lengths of 40, 50 centimeters, and then with the help of such a tool I removed all the upper insulation. Then the wires are aligned, and with the help of a special knife I made myself, we removed the insulation from the wires. Links to the video where I made these devices, I will leave in the description under the video. Look, and make yourself the same. Work with them is done much faster and they are absolutely safe. It took me about 3 hours to work, and in the end I got these heaps of pure copper. Not long ago I had an idea to melt copper and make copper ingots. But for this I need to buy a special furnace, which I have not yet been able to find in Moldova. Write in the comments, how do you like this idea? Will you be interested or not? If you also want to see videos on this topic, then I will definitely find a way to do it. Now let's weigh the resulting copper. I got a little more than 7 kilograms of copper, which is not a bad result, but my goal is to accumulate another 93 kilograms. If I passed these 7 kilograms at today's price, I would have earned $50. That's all friends, subscribe to the channel, if you have not already subscribed, and do not forget to leave any comments under the video. It will be interesting to read your opinions, everyone. Bye.